Everybody. When you think of a DUI, most people think of it as just a night in jail, but I'm here to tell you, DUI is just more than a night in jail. It causes people lives, it causes people their careers. So DUI, whenever you think about DUI, you should really think about it more seriously than just a night in jail. It's a fact that DUI killed 12,000 people last year. Cab fare is only $12, so why take that chance of risking your life and somebody else's life over $12? Highway Patrol Colonel F.K. Lancaster Jr. says out of his own mouth, the first offense DUI is worth $10,000. That's just your first offense. And the state of South Carolina only lets you get 3 chances at this. So after that third chance, you'll be looking at jail time. It, from ages 15 to 20, it killed 11,773 people in 2011. So you should really take this seriously. I mean, it's just not something that you should take lightly. And DUI is really something that you should think about before you drink and drive. It costs about $2,000 at the minimum, $1,000 worth of court fees. State of South Carolina lawyers usually choose to charge first-time DUI offenders $3,500. So whenever you think about it, that's $3,500 that you're taking away from your family, from yourself, and from people who really care about you, when all you could have did was take a $12 cab fare and not risk getting a DUI. It's just something that law enforcement have run campaigns on TV about DUI enforcement, and people still don't seem to get the picture. So I don't know what more can be asked of people who choose to drink and drive, but there's campaigns out there. There's billboards that you see on the road. There's radio commercials. There's all kind of things that prevent it, but somehow South Carolina still don't get the picture that DUI is a major offense. Like I said earlier in the presentation, it can cause lives, careers, jobs, everything. So whenever you think about drinking and driving, please don't. Take a cab fare, or even call a buddy. A buddy, I'm sure, will be willing to come get you instead of you risking your life and him having to go to a funeral. So thank you, everybody. Here's my presentation on DUI. I get the people. You stop.
Well, hey, bro.